Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got to another video. In this video I'll show you how you can remove credit card from TikTok account. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. So for that, simply go ahead and open up your TikTok app right over here. Then from this section, go ahead, tap on this profile icon at the bottom right corner. Now tap on this three horizontal line on top right corner. Now from this section, go ahead, tap on this settings and privacy option. From this section, what you need to do is simply need to go ahead and tap on this option of balance. Once it has been activated, once you have started receiving money or started withdrawing, you're going to go ahead, tap on the balance option. And from the section, you're going to go ahead, tap on get coins option. Once you've tapped on that, it will ask you to provide a payment method. There you will be providing your payment method. Now, if you have already listed a payment method, which is your previous credit card, you can go ahead, tap on the remove option and then add new one to replace it. Now that's all you need to do. You just need to go ahead, go to your balance section and go to get coins and add new card and go to payment section and remove your particular credit card like that. So I hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in our next video.